Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 12th, 2025, we're dissecting USDJPY, combining recent news with in-depth chart analysis. First, let's recap the headlines. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook. Cooling U.S. inflation could weigh on the dollar, while trade tensions add uncertainty. The Investing.com website states that the dollar is edging higher as markets weigh trade tensions. We'll correlate these events with what we see on the charts. Also, Danske Bank analysts have closed their short US dollar to Japanese yen position, suggesting limited downside for now. All this info will inform our chart analysis, guiding possible bullish or bearish scenarios and key price levels to watch. Now, let's dive into the charts. Let's start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective of the price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a downtrend forming over the past few months, with some recent attempts at a rebound. Notice the resistance around the 152.00 level, which has held firm multiple times. Also, consider the support around the 146.50 to 147.00 level, which has been tested recently. Let's narrow down on some particular candles to get a sense of the price action. From February 2nd to March 11th, the price was pushed down from around 155, after which there's an increase, as the price is attempting to reach 150 again. The news of cooling U.S. inflation might correlate with the initial sell-off, and if this continues to be true, there could be bearish pressure soon. Also, note the large red candles, signifying strong selling pressure. However, in the short term, there have been signs of indecision, so we'll want to look at the other charts. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look. This time frame can help us identify more immediate trends and potential entry/exit points. On the 1-hour chart, we can see more detailed price fluctuations within the daily trend. Let's focus on the last few days, from March 8th to now, March 12th, to analyze recent price action. We can see consolidation followed by a bump upwards. If we look at the daily, the recent price action is indecisive, but there is a trend forming in the hourly. Looking at this range of candles, it appears that the price may continue upwards to 148, but it may break out downwards to 147. This makes it difficult to choose which price to trade at. Let's switch to the 15-minute chart for the most granular view. The 15-minute chart provides a real-time perspective of price movements, helping us identify short-term opportunities. On the 15-minute, from March 10th to now, March 12th, shows a consolidation. Based on our analysis, several key levels are important to watch. Resistance levels, 148, 150, and 152 on the daily chart. Support levels, 146.50 to 147.00, and potentially lower. Given the mixed news and the indecisive chart patterns, here are my unbiased predictions. A bullish breakout above 148 could lead to a test of 150, but a break below 146.50 would likely trigger further downside. Be mindful of upcoming economic data releases and any further policy announcements from the Fed and BOJ, as these could significantly impact the USDJPY pair. Remember to manage risk and trade responsibly. See you in the next video on Explain the Charts.